reason our parents started this business was to make sure that critical life-saving medications are available to patients, and that means that we have to get drugs to market quickly without compromising on quality or safety.
Nexus Pharmaceuticals is a US-based injectable medication company. We're doing a lot of generic drugs that have been on the market for a long time. By dose, 80% of the medication given in the United States is generic. So that means we cover 4/5 of the medicines that everybody is taking on a daily basis.
We just see a huge need at the market for the patients. There's so many shortages in the injectable space, quality recalls, surgeries being postponed because physicians can't get certain drugs. Literally, patients' lives are at stake. So I always think about that in the back of my mind. You know, anyone that I know or love could be taking this medication, so quality has to be at the forefront.
Especially because we concentrate in the sterile injectable space, it's even more important for us to make sure that we not only produce generic products that patients need, but that, you know, that we don't compromise on quality as well. And we think that being focused on the US market and manufacturing in the US helps us achieve that goal.
The FDA guidelines keep increasing more and more and more, so oftentimes our generics have a better purity profile than the brand name, because oftentimes these branded products are 20 years old.
In our industry, there's a lot of shortcuts taken, so much offshoring of pharmaceuticals, and for us, we're always looking at the long-term vision, what's in the best interest of the patients, our employees, and what makes us different is our ability to execute.
Since we're a leaner, more nimble operation here, we're able to meet demands a lot more quickly, and we can be a lot more flexible depending on how we need to address, you know, the healthcare space. Not just looking at products that are on shortage, but looking at what the buyers need, seeing what patients need.
Innovation is really the lifeblood of Nexus Pharmaceuticals. The way we started was our parents took a chance, and now we can continue that mantra going forward. You know, we're in all 50 states and over 5,000 hospitals at this point, and we really see ourselves as growing into a pillar rather than just a player in the pharmaceutical and healthcare generally in the United States. So we're not out there to acquire companies or acquire products from other people. We want to develop them the right way from the ground up. And that's how we continue to grow our portfolio, and that's why our commitment to R&D is so important, because that's really what's going to fuel our growth into the future.